let's update my sister's armoire. We removed the hardware, cleaned it all off with crud cutter and a damp rag, and scuff sanded everything to help the paint stick. My sister wanted the top to be wood, so while she scuff sanded, I thought I would quickly scrape off the old finish with this handy dandy carbide scraper. Nope! I tried and tried, but I barely removed the top coat. This finish is thick. So we decided to let a chemical stripper do most of the work instead. I sprayed on a coat of Stripwell's QCS on the top, let it sit for about 15 minutes, and then I sprayed another coat on and waited another 15 minutes. While we waited on the stripper, we primed the drawers and the door with bin shellac base primer. And then, while waiting for the primer to dry, we were able to scrape off most of the finish on top with a plastic scraper and then scrub some more off with 000 steel wool. But since this finish was so thick, we needed another coat of stripper to take the rest of it off. 15 minutes later, we were easily able to get the rest off, and we wiped it all down with a wet paper towel to remove all of the residue. We finished priming everything, and then the next day we were able to sand the top to smooth out the wood and remove a little bit of finish that was left over. When the primer was all dry, we sanded it smooth with fine grit foam pads just to remove the texture that was left behind and make it feel smooth. My sister loves her wood to have a gray tint to it, so I mixed up some gray paint and then I added some water to the paint to create a wash. And then I brushed the wash onto the wood quickly and wiped it away quickly to give it a slight gray tone. Then we brushed and rolled some Sherwin-Williams Emerald Urethane Trim Enamel in pure white onto the rest of the armoire. We painted 2 coats on everything, letting it dry completely between coats. Then I top coated the wood on the top with a top coat brush and water-based polyurethane to protect the wood from getting damaged easily. Then we put everything back together and we put on some new cute hexagon knobs on the drawers and the door. Here's what it looked like before, and here's what it looks like now. I think I need to paint more furniture white. What do you think? Would you have painted this all one color, or do you like the wood top? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to see more of our videos. Are you confused and not sure where to start with your furniture makeover? Don't worry, I got your back. Click the link in my comment to download our free painting checklist so you can paint your furniture as if you hired a professional to do it.